Huawei in Smart Life event for 2020 unveiled the new Huawei eyewear 2, FreeWord Studio, Porsche design Huawei Watch G2, and the Huawei Mate 40 series. The Huawei Mate 40 series consists of four new devices, including the Huawei Mate 40, the Mate 40 Pro, Mate 40 Pro Plus, and the Porsche design Mate 40 RS. Here is everything you need to know about the latest flagship smartphones from Huawei. Now let's check what's under the hood. The Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro will be available in 5 color variants: black, white, mystic silver, green and yellow. Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus will be available in only 2 color variants: ceramic white and ceramic black. Talking about its display, over the front, the Mate 40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro Plus feature a 6.67-inch flexible OLED display that curves around the edges at an 88-degree angle. The display offers a resolution of 2772 into 1344 pixels, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and a pixel density of 456 ppi. Its minimum bezels on the top and bottom edges with a pill-shaped hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera module on the both higher-end variants. The regular Mate 40, however, features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a resolution of 2376 into 1080p pixels and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Unlike the Pro variants, the edge of the display on Mate 40 are curved at 68-degree angle. That's all about the display. The Huawei Mate 40 series is the first from the company to feature the Kirin 9000 SoC, which is an octa-core chip but built on a 5nm process. The chip has a 4 big ARM Cortex A77 cores, with one clocked at 3.13 GHz and other 3 clocked at 2.54 GHz, and 4 small ARM Cortex A55 cores clocked at 2.04 GHz. It's the world's first 5nm chip to feature an integrated 5G modem, and it includes ARM Mali G78 MT24 GPU. The SoC is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage on Mate 40 Pro and 12GB RAM on Mate 40 Pro Plus, with a dedicated Huawei NM card expansion slot. The Porsche design variant features 512GB of storage. Talking about its camera, in the camera department, the Huawei Mate 40 features a 50 megapixel f1.9 aperture primary camera, a 16 megapixel 2.2 aperture wide-angle camera, and an 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture telephoto camera. The Mate 40 Pro features the same primary camera, but it includes a 20 megapixel f1.8 aperture wide-angle camera and a 12 megapixel f3.4 aperture 5x periscope camera. The top-end Mate 40 Pro Plus also features the same primary camera, but it includes a 20 megapixel f2.4 aperture wide-angle camera and an 8 megapixel f4.4 aperture 10x periscope camera with optical image stabilization, a 12 megapixel f2.4 telephoto camera, and a TOF sensor. The Porsche design Mate 40 RS features the same camera setup as the Mate 40 Pro Plus, but it also includes an additional color temperature sensor. Talking about its front camera, the front-facing camera module on Mate 40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro Plus includes a 13 megapixel f2.4 aperture wide-angle selfie shooter and a 3D TOF sensor. The selfie camera on the device offers a feature called Intelligent FOV, which automatically detects if there are multiple people in the frame and adjusts the field of view to accommodate all the people. Isn't this great? On both Pro variants is a 4400 mAh dual cell battery that offers support for 66 watt wired fast charging and 50 watt wireless fast charging. The devices also offer support for reverse wireless charging, which will let users charge other devices wirelessly by placing them on the back panel. In terms of software, the Huawei Mate 40 series runs Huawei's custom Android skin EMUI 11 based on Android 10. As expected, the device includes Huawei's mobile services with Huawei App Gallery, Petal Maps, and other Huawei services built in. Everything that is not Google. While the software is still stuck on Android 10, Huawei has included a couple of new features for Huawei Mate 40 series, including a new eyes on display feature which only brings up the AOD content when you're actually looking at the phone, air gesture controls, multi-screen collaborations, email conversation mode, and smart multi-window mode. As of now, Huawei hasn't shared any info regarding the availability of these new devices. So now the time will tell. Guys, what is the best feature you found about Huawei Mate 40 series? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. You don't know how much that like button means to us. If you're new to this channel, we post tech related videos every Friday. So if you don't want to miss out our update, kindly press the red button below and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. It's been a great time with you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Panda. और हाँ, घंटी बजाना मत भूलना।